Hey guys, I'm Rich from Xtreme Xperience.
And I'm Juan.
Juan's our expert detailer, and we're gonna put Honest Wash to the test. So we're gonna give you a quick review and see how it does on this GTR that's been on the racetrack all weekend. Stay tuned. So we just mixed up a nice healthy dosage of our Hypermint wash, and first impressions are, it's really minty, right Juan?
Yeah, I can feel it in my hand.
It's tingling, it's got a nice tingling sensation. Typically something I go for in my toothpaste, but maybe the GTR, when we start brushing it, will appreciate it as well. I can also now feel the tingling. This is interesting.
You feel it, right?
Smells mighty car washy. We're gonna test this out, see if it can clear brake dust from heavy usage on a track day. This GTR takes a beating. Probably turned about, I don't know, 500 laps or so over the past weekend. And this will be a really good opportunity to see whether or not it can handle all the built up brake dust from performance brake pads on a high performance supercar like the GTR. See how it stacks up. Juan just hit both the passenger side wheels with the Brake Dust Pro, and what we found out so far is whether or not you're scrubbing it or just letting it sit for a while, it was powerful enough to lift a bunch of that brake dust right off of the wheels. It's nice to know that we could have something handy at the track, maybe spray it down really quick and just go ahead and spray it off. It'll look pristine for a customer getting ready to jump in for the next few laps. So all we did is spray and leave it, and it came out looking pretty good already. Something that we would probably say, hey, this is good to go if we were at the track and the car just needed a quick wash. So after looking at it a little bit further, it got most of the dust and debris, but to make sure that this stuff is show quality, which we like to maintain it as such, we went ahead and hit it with a brush, but virtually it looks like all the dirt has pretty much been taken off. Pretty good rating for something that you just spray on and leave for a few minutes and wash off. So not a bad job by the Brake Dust Pro so far. Juan just hit the entire front of the car with the bug remover. So we're gonna see how this does. We'll pick up a lot of like rubber, tar, different things from the track. Sometimes paint, sometimes other things. Obviously a lot of bugs. So as it settles on the car, it should start releasing some of those materials that are a little bit harder to get, or something that you would miss with an actual brush or anything that you would use to clean the front of your car. All right, so the bug remover has been applied to the front of the car. We went ahead and brushed that down, and at the same time, while the car was still wet, Juan is now using the Honest Wash, the Hypermint wash, to be exact.
Microfiber wash mitt. Microfiber always for any kind of car. If you don't want scratch in your car.
So, anyways, Juan's gonna go ahead and use the wash to go ahead and clear anything else that hasn't been blown off by any water. Obviously, then you need to scrub the car down. So he used a combination of two different things. He used a wash mitt, microfiber wash mitt. Then he also used a brush that had like really soft material on it, kind of like a wash mitt, with an actual post to go ahead and get some leverage onto the car, go ahead and wash it down. What we're noticing about this Hypermint wash is it's a pretty soft mix. It's not that ultra foamy soap that you might be used to seeing from other people. We'll see how that plays out on the actual car. Hopefully the finish looks really nice, and yeah, we'll see how it does once everything gets cleared off. We've tested out the bug delete. So far, it looks pretty good. As I said before, we'll pick up a ton of debris from the track. This could be rubber from tires ahead of us, or it could just simply be bugs. Typically, products like this, it'll remove both. They kind of explain how to use it here. We applied it the exact way, and looks like the results are pretty good. So little to no bugs at all. Sometimes,
no bugs.
Yeah, sometimes stuff gets stuck. We do have a clear bra on here, so that will retain some sediment sometimes, but with a wipe over with a microfiber towel, it's all gone. So pretty good job. 2 thumbs up. Juan approved. Do you have one thumb or 2 thumbs? One thumb?
One, dos.
Dos.
Dos thumbs.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. We'll see you on the next lap.